Alright guys, it's Jason here with Make It Hot Water Heaters, EDC. We got a couple tanks that we pulled out here in this last week, and we're going to cut these guys open, see what we look like on the inside, and see what we got for sediment. This one was about 30 years old, came from Alliance, Ohio. That one came from Twinsburg, it's about 7 years old. We're able to get this knocked out and opened up pretty good, so we did get a lot of sediment out of this when we were draining it, so we could get it up the steps. But let's see what we got going. Alright, so here we are, we got them both opened up. Don't expect anything crazy. We'll start with the old ream here. As you can see, a big old opening there, so we have a lot of stuff out of there. We've got a whole lot of corrosion in here. This used to be a anode rod. There's not really much of anything left in here. And we don't have a whole lot for sediment, but what we do have is pretty rough. Not up here, we've got a dip tube in there, anywhere to be found. Now this is what a standard dip tube looks like when it goes in. That is a perfectly new replacement dip tube. Another thing that we noticed was the insulation. Obviously, they get more efficient. That's one of the big things. That is the thickness of the insulation in this older one. Obviously, that's a lot thicker. That's going to keep it hot longer. You can see our glass liner here on the inside a little better, and this one is a little newer. We make out our dip tube. This is where we fill from, and we're putting that all the way down into the bottom with our cold water. That's what's left of our anode rod with 7 years. We've got some junk in here. Kind of see it build up around the sides. Up here at the top where we had it laid out. Transporting it here. Not much left of this guy either. After only 7 years. So that's why we recommend changing these out. Dip tube was pretty rough shape here, and this one very brittle and broken up. That wasn't really working very efficiently. But there you have it. Maybe here in the next couple days, we're going to cut into the heat exchangers of these tanklesses we got laying around. Until then, let's make it hot.